Thera-Gesic Plus Cream is used to relieve minor muscle and joint aches and pains, such as those caused by arthritis, backache, and sprains. It contains menthol and methyl salicylate, which are counterirritants. These ingredients work by creating a cooling and warming sensation on the skin, which helps to distract you from the deeper aches and pains in your muscles, joints, and tendons. It's important to note that some products should not be used on children under 12 years old without a doctor's advice. If you plan to use Thera-Gesic Plus Cream on children between 2 and 12 years old, be sure to carefully check the label first. And remember, this cream should not be used on children younger than 2 years old. For adults, the recommended dosage is to apply a thin layer of the cream to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day. It's best to apply the cream at the first signs of pain to receive the maximum benefits. And always remember to wash your hands after applying the cream to avoid accidentally getting it in your eyes or on other sensitive areas. Make sure to carefully follow the directions on the product package. This medication is only for use on the skin and should not be applied near the eyes, mouth, nose, or genitals. If the medication does come into contact with these areas, make sure to flush with plenty of water. If you are using the lotion, spray, or foam, be sure to shake the bottle well before applying. You can apply a thin layer of the medication to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day, gently rubbing it in. Make sure to wash your hands after applying the medication, unless you are using it to treat your hands. If treating the hands, wait at least 30 minutes before washing. Do not apply this medication to injured or irritated skin, and avoid tightly wrapping the affected area. Heat can increase the risk of side effects, so try to avoid activities that increase skin temperature or using heat on the treated area. It's also important to read the label carefully to make sure you have the right product for you, and to contact your doctor if your condition lasts for more than 7 days or gets worse. If you experience redness, warmth, stinging, or burning at the application site, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. However, many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Stop using this medication and contact your doctor right away if you experience blistering, swelling, or severe redness at the application site, or increased/unusual pain, nausea/vomiting, or ringing in the ears. Although rare, if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so do not hesitate to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. Always consult your doctor for medical advice about side effects. Reporting side effects to the FDA or Health Canada may be necessary. Before using Thera-Gesic Plus Cream, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to menthol, methyl salicylate, aspirin, or other salicylates. This cream may also contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you have asthma, nasal polyps, or are planning to have surgery, it's essential to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this cream. Additionally, if you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this medication. If your doctor determines that you need to use this cream during pregnancy, it should be used at the lowest effective dose for the shortest possible time. It's also important to note that it's unknown if this product passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. As for the dosage and timing, it's best to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist. This cream is not recommended for use in children and teenagers younger than 18 years if they have chickenpox, flu, or any undiagnosed illness, as it may increase the risk of Reye syndrome. When using Thera-Gesic Plus Cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can impact how your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this list with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication routine. Thera-Gesic Plus Cream is typically used for relieving minor aches and pains of the muscles and joints. It is for external use only. When using this cream, apply a thin layer to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day. It's best to apply the cream at evenly spaced intervals to maintain a consistent level in your body. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly after applying the cream to avoid accidentally getting it in your eyes or on other sensitive areas. If this cream is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. U.S. residents can reach their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. As always, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional before using Thera-Gesic Plus Cream. This cream should be applied to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day, or as directed by your doctor. It's best to apply the cream at the first sign of pain for the most effective relief. It is important to keep all medical and lab appointments. This will help ensure that you are using Thera-Gesic Plus Cream safely and effectively. Your healthcare provider may need to monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. If you forget to use Thera-Gesic Plus Cream at the scheduled time, use it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, then just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Do not apply double the amount to make up for the missed dose. When it comes to storing Thera-Gesic Plus Cream, it's important to follow the specific instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist. It's also crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of expired or unused Thera-Gesic Plus Cream, it's important to dispose of it properly. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. Remember not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.